hi. Hey, down here. There you go. I know, you're probably thinking, a talking card. How cute. Yeah, I get that a lot. But I'm so much more than just cute. You see, I'm a MyBoardwalk Card. That means I'm your ticket to a whole lot of fun. That's because I can be used throughout the boardwalk for rides, for attractions like mini golf and laser tag, and for arcade games, and games like this one. All you have to do is swipe me. Oh, that tickles. Of course, for me to really work, you have to charge me up. You can buy me or recharge me at ticket booths, guest services, the season pass office, and at all of our attractions. And if you prefer to do it yourself, that's cool too. We have kiosks like this one up and down the walk, in the arcades, and even over at the Boardwalk Bowl. Sweet! Recharging me at a kiosk is so easy. Kiosks accept cash, debit, and credit cards. The touchscreen is simple and will guide you through the process, step by step. Piece of cake. And at the boardwalk, that would be funnel cake. Yum. What's really awesome is that once you have me all charged up, my points never expire. Never. So if you go home and still have points on your card, all you have to do is bring me back the next time you visit. Hey, I love coming here. And you can either share me with everyone in your party, one card for all, or each person can have their own me. Hey, the more of me, the merrier, don't you think? If you love to play redemption games like skee ball, my favorite, that used to give tickets, you'll now get e-tickets. E-tickets are automatically added to your MyBoardwalk card whenever you win at any of these games. And when you're ready, go to the prize center in the casino arcade and give them me and choose your prize. If for some reason your card's not working, which happens once in a while, don't worry. Just take me to any of our ticket booths, guest services, or the season pass office, and they'll get you back into action before you know it. Now, whatever you do, don't lose me because, unfortunately, I'm not refundable. And since I'm really, really popular, I might, just might, end up in someone else's pocket. And that would be sad. That's because I want to have fun with you. So that's me, a MyBoardwalk Card in a nutshell. What do you think? Are you ready to have some fun? Mini golf? Games? Rides? Okay, let's do it!